How to make your skin look young and radiant with this saffron face pack. Young people have many reasons for their skin problems. Mainly they are under a lot of pressure, not sleeping for a long time, not drinking enough water, and using chemicals on their face. Let's see how to fix this using natural products at home. How saffron is used for all skin types. The moisture on the surface of the skin decreases and the skin becomes dry and cracked. Also, saffron is rich in antioxidants. It is also found to have a high degree of hydration properties. It has the ability to make dry skin smooth and oily skin white. How to make a saffron face pack for dry skin. What are the ingredients required? 2 teaspoons of saffron powder, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of malai. Direction to use: take 2 teaspoons of saffron in a small bowl, add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of malai and mix it well to make a paste. Then wash your face with clean water. Apply this paste to your face and wash your face with cold water after 10 minutes. Wipe your face with a clean cotton cloth. How to use saffron and honey for dry skin in this face pack. Many people suffer from dry and dull skin. To get rid of it, you get better results when you use this saffron along with honey. These help the blood flow smoothly in the skin. Applying saffron along with honey lightens and softens the skin. A mixture of honey and saffron works as an excellent natural moisturizer. These have excellent water absorption properties. These make your skin soft, smooth, and glowing. How do saffron and malai improve skin? Saffron and malai play a major role in skin lightening. This saffron and malai has a naturally excellent coloring property and is used for skin whitening. And these protect our skin from the sun's rays when we go outside. It also helps the skin retain moisture for a longer period of time. Makes the skin soft and supple. How to make a saffron face pack for glowing skin. What are the ingredients required? 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, 4 to 5 strands of saffron, and 1 teaspoon of milk. Direction to use: in a small bowl, a teaspoon of sandalwood powder and 4 or 5 saffron leaves should be added to it with a teaspoon of milk and make it all as well as a paste. Then rinse the face with clean water. Apply this paste to the face and massage it. Then after 10 minutes, wash your face with clean water and take a clean cotton cloth. What is the role of sandalwood powder in the saffron face pack? Sandalwood naturally has a large number of properties that illuminate the skin. Also, there are large amounts of antioxidants, which make the skin smooth, destroys dead cells in the skin. It also accompanies the saffron and provides countless benefits to the skin. They change the skin into soft and smooth skin. How to make a saffron face pack for whitening skin. What are the ingredients required to make a face pack? 3 to 4 saffron strands, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of milk, and a small pinch of sugar. 1 teaspoon of besan flour. Direction to use: take 3 to 4 saffron strands in a small bowl. Add 1 teaspoonful of milk, a teaspoon of olive oil with a little sugar, and a teaspoon of besan flour together and make it like a paste. Then the face should be washed with cold water. Then apply this paste to the face and massage it well. After 10 minutes, wash your face well and wipe with a clean cloth. What is the role of olive oil in the face pack? Olive oil is an excellent relief that improves skin. Olive oil is naturally rich in fatty acids. Olive oil contains oleic acid and high levels of antioxidants, naturally helping the skin to maintain moisture. Olive oil is naturally compatible with oil glue in the skin. It helps keep the skin bright and smooth for a long time. Moisturizing helps to keep the skin more time. What is the role of sugar and besan flour in this face pack? Besan flour, which is added to this face pack, naturally controls the amount of sebum in the skin. Reduces acne on the face. Helps keep the skin glow. Sugar is also used to destroy dead cells in the skin and for illumination. Tips: using the face pack 2 or 3 times a week can keep the skin smooth and shiny. Thanks for watching this video.